As we know, we got the general solution for the damped equations. Okay, what we concluded here, the two variables, the two parameters are varying here. What is that? So x and the t. Okay, where when t varies, x also varies. Okay? T varies, x also varies. See, b square minus omega square term is depends to change this factor. Therefore the pos b square minus omega square under root of b square minus omega square is a factor to change the equation. Okay, both the parameter x and t are varies. Therefore based on these parameters, based on these values, based on these notations, we can categorize in three ways. One is under damping, over damping, and the critical damping. Depends upon the factors. One by one we will discuss. What is that? For example, b square is greater than omega square. One case, b square is greater than omega square means, then we will call this as a over damping. If b square equal to omega square, then we call it as a critical damping. If b square is less than omega square, we call this is a under damping. So one by one we'll discuss what is that. Okay, first one we'll discuss. Okay, over damping. Over damping. Okay, what is over damping? B square is greater than omega square. That's it. Okay, when b square is greater than omega square, then b square minus omega square is always positive, only. Okay, b square minus omega square is positive only. Okay, but b square minus omega square, okay, this b square minus omega square is less than b value. Okay, b value. What is the what is the difference between the over damping means over damping, under damping, and the critical damping? For example, graphically we are going to represent here. For example, this is the time variation, this is the this is the x time, and time t, and the position or displacement is varying here. Okay, according to the over damping. Okay, what is that? It is the condition under which the restoring force and resistive force acting on a body are such that the body is brought to halt at equilibrium position with an oscillation with a greater time period. Okay, with a greater time period. For example, like this. Okay, displacement position to time position, it comes to halt immediately. So this is the indication of the over damping. Then what is it? B is greater than omega. B is greater than omega. Over damping. Or another one, second case, what is that? B square is equal to omega square. This is called critical damping. The same thing. Okay, we will take the variation, x variation and the time variation. Okay, it is the condition, or it is the damping under which the restoring force and resisting force acting on the particular body such that the body brought to halt at the equilibrium position oscillation with a minimum time immediately. For example, these two is, then it will come to halt at zero. It is not going to meet at zero. Okay, it comes to halt. Such condition, whatever we are calling the damping, is called critical damping. We call it the critical damping. Okay, another one. Okay, example for the shock absorber, vehicle shock absorber, we are using this type of damping. Okay, another one, what is that? Third one is what? B square is less than omega square. B square is less than omega square. under damping. Same thing. Okay, this is the x displacement, this is the time. Okay, or you can extend this like this. Okay, for example, this is the midterm, this is positive, this is a positive, this is negative. If I took means this is the time, means this is the condition under the restoring force and the resistive force acting on a body, or that the vibrate or that the vibrates with a diminished amplitude as the time progress and ultimately comes to halt. See, when time progress or time is moving, so like that, so the amplitude, the vibration is comes diminished amplitude, and at the end it will come to halt zero. Such type of vibrations are called as a called as a under damped vibration. It is started to damped, that is called what we call b square, or b value is less than omega square. So this, based on this, okay, we will discuss some quality factor. Wait, quality factors. Okay, what is the quality factor? Quality factor is nothing but the number of cycles required for energy fall of a factor e to the power of 2 pi. Okay, the number of cycles required for the energy to fall off that of the factor of e to the 2 power, that is called quality factor. That is given by, denoted by q. Okay, the quality factor describes the how much under damping of the oscillation, that is q is equal to omega by 2b. The equation is q is equal to omega by 2b, or b can be written as, what is that, b can be written as w by 2q, rearranging the term. Okay, or we can write this. We know that one fundamental equation, that is n is equal to omega square minus b square. If I wrote means, so right, omega square if I take common, or the omega square as it is. Okay, you substitute the b square whatever is there, omega square minus 4bq square is equal to omega square minus 4q. This will get. Okay, or you take the omega here common. Omega if you are taking common means, what will write, 1 minus 1 by 4 q square. Okay, q square is equal to, but the differential equation of the damped vibration is what we know the last class, d square x by dt square plus 2b dx by dt plus omega square x is equal to 0. This is the differential equation. This can be written as in with the help of quality factor, like this, d square x by dt square plus 2b we know what is the 2b, w by k. Okay, q, that's w by 2b. So this is 2b is equal to w by k, 2b is equal to w by q. Okay, so w by q is dx by dt plus omega square into x equal to 0. With the help of quality factor we can write like this. Okay, this will complete your quality factor. Okay,